Okay, guys, last week we had a beautiful trading experience, and of course, I got a lot of message over the weekend asking me how I am able to pick up all the trading signals I shared in the Telegram channel. And in case you don't know, we had a beautiful week last week, milking the market for a very long time. Okay, we started from Monday, and most of the trades ended around Thursday in profit, big profit, guys. And of course, later on, we picked up another signals for the weekend, and of course, we also made a lot of profits right from there. And just because of that, I got so many messages from most of my subscribers asking me how I'm able to do that. So in today's video, I will be sharing the same strategy, and of course, we will be using the opportunity to also analyze the market for the week for each of the assets again, because so this week is also going to be another beautiful week for each and every one of us. Okay, so if you are willing to learn the same strategy which I've been using to dish out the signals in the Telegram channel, then I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will understand how to go about it. Practice very well on your demo account before you now try it out on your real account. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's jump into it right away. Okay, so in case you have question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be starting with Ganex 1200. First of all, the same strategy which I have been using all this while is still what I have been discussing in my videos, and that is the trend trading strategy. Of course, there might be one or two adjustments depending on the chart situation, but it is still the same strategy, which is the trend trading strategy. For instance, this particular asset, I remember very well when we milked it last week, we had a switch from an uptrend into a downtrend, and this is happening at the resistance zone. I am always concerned about this because this shows that the trend is just starting at that particular point. Okay, so since it's not going to break out, or it is finding difficult to break out above the resistance zone, and it is switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, then definitely I have more belief in it that it's going to follow the new trend for a very long time, and that is what we are actually experiencing around here, guys. That is what we are actually experiencing around here. So this is giving us more selling opportunity, even though it's got to a major support zone at this point. Try to go back on uptrend, but didn't go too far before going back down to break out below the support zone to sell more, and it has gotten to another support region, and of course trying to switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. So that is what we have been trying to do. You can see it is a trend trading strategy, and of course this time around we are preparing for a big uptrend right now because this is at the support zone. The only way it will not buy is if it breaks out, if it comes down back again and breaks out below this support zone. That is the only way it will not buy. Okay, so that is it, and that can also happen. Okay, breakout can happen, but if breakout is not happening, then there should be a switch in direction of the trend. It is as simple as that. Okay, so that is it. That is why when you set up your order, you also set up your stop loss. If it hits the stop loss, definitely it is preparing for breakout. Okay, but if it does not, it will definitely move in your own direction. Okay, so this is trying to go into an uptrend, but if you should also notice, these are the little stuff that I usually consider whenever I am trading. Okay, if you should notice, okay, these have been following this pattern for a very long time. You can see it's respected it, and of course, if it should break out above this, then definitely it means it's going to buy for long. At least it should get to somewhere here if it buys. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, and if it should break out from here, then it's still going to buy more, and definitely this should get to somewhere here. Okay, or probably let me um make use of this first, and next should be this. Okay, sorry, I would love to adjust this a bit. Next should be this, and the last one should get to this particular spot. Okay, so that is it. So these are possible outcomes that are most likely to happen if this should play in our direction. That is, if this switching from a downtrend to an uptrend works out, and most especially if it should break out from this particular um, resistant trend line. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's move on to GainX 999. And just the way we have seen this, GainX 999 actually switched still from the resistance zone. At first, it gave us a trading signal at this point, switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it sold till it got to this region. It was unable to go further. So it went back on uptrend again, but this time around finds it difficult to break out above this resistance zone. So it switched from uptrend again into a downtrend. This time around, it broke out below this, okay, and it sold more. You can see it right from there. I told you this in my last video, and it is still selling right now. That is the beautiful part of it, okay. So this is still selling. Let's see where it is heading to. I'm going to take it to because we can see it clearly again on 15-minute time frame. Even right here on H1, let me take it to H4 because we need to know the future of this particular asset. This is GainX 999. Okay, good. This is giving us a clear picture, okay, of what is happening right here. So this is actually looking up to get to this region, and it is around there already. So if it should break out from here, then we should, okay, let me use another one, we should expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. And if it should break out from here, then this is free zones. Okay, so we have a lot to milk from here. Okay, so for now, if it should break out from here, you should know that it's going to sell more and may likely get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still, it looks more of a downtrend than an uptrend, most especially if it breaks out from this support region, although we might have pullbacks in between, but this is where I feel it is heading to. And if it should break out from here, then we are in for a good deal. Okay, then we should be looking at this region. But first, it will want to stop at somewhere here first and have some pullbacks before reaching here. Okay, so that is how you can map out the direction of an asset whenever you are trading. Okay, that is the beauty of trend trading strategy. Okay, now let's see. This is Paynex 1200. Even if you don't have any assets to trade, I think this is one of the assets that is giving us a clear picture of what the market is giving to us. Okay, so right from here, I remember we milked this particular asset right from this resistance zone to this very end, broke out from here also to get to this region. But right now, it has switched the downtrend, I mean the trend from a downtrend into an uptrend. So if you're having this trading tool, I expect you to have come in somewhere here. Okay, I expect you to have come in somewhere here. Okay, that's because we got our buy signal here, and you can see we've been given an uptrend signal around here. Okay, so which means we have more buying opportunity right from here. So you should be in huge profits right now. But if you are yet to jump into the trade, you still have all this to achieve, guys. You still have all this to achieve. So you can still go into it. So this is still buying more right now. This is the next 1200. It is buying more right now. Okay. So now let's look at Paynex 999. for Paynex 999, this is also trying to go on uptrend. Just the way we have seen it, it's going on uptrend, but we need it to break out above this region first. Okay, so it should get here and break out from there. And if that happens, then it should be targeting this particular spot and even break out from there. And if that happens, then it should get to this region. Okay, so that is it. So this is buying at the moment, just where we have seen it. Okay, but the first target is this region, and if you should break out from there, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so that is it. Now let's check out FX volume 80. I actually love this. I mean, the trade we had on FX volume 80 last week, because it gave us a smooth movement starting from this support region. And check it out. Even though this was our last TP. Okay, at first on the Telegram channel, this is where I stopped, but later on in the video update I did, I said it should get to this region, and it got there. So right now it has even given us more profits. Okay, that is the benefit of those that are using this trading tool. For those that are using this trading tool, they will still continue with their trade till the very end of the trend, which is around here. But for those that are following the signals in the Telegram channel, some of them will have stopped here, while some that watch my video update would also take advantage of it to this very region. Okay, but right now it has gotten to the resistance zone, and of course it has not been able to break out from there. So this is switching from an uptrend to a downtrend. The only way to not sell is if it breaks out, if it goes back up and break out below, I mean above this resistance zone. If that did not happen, or if that is not going to happen, then definitely this is going to sell. Okay, so you should take advantage of it right from there. I can give more update in the Telegram channel. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of that right away. Okay, guys, I will be stopping right here. So before I stop, let me just give you a quick recap on everything we have discussed in this video, so that you will have a better understanding of what you should look out for each time you are trading. Okay, so for those of you who have been asking me how I'm able to generate my signals, I've actually taken my time to explain everything to you guys in this video. Okay, what I have been doing is just following a simple instruction, a simple strategy, which is the trend trading strategy. And for the trend trading strategy, I actually reduced all the stress to me identifying the resistance zone, identifying the support region, and also identifying the trend, or when the trend is switching from one trend to another. That is just it. The support and resistance region are there to give me more confirmation if the trend will go for a very long time or not. Okay, it is as simple as that. So once you are able to come up or identify all these, then it will make it very easy for you to trade for a very long time. It does not really matter the exact trading tool you are using. Once you are able to achieve these or identify all these, then definitely you are good to go. But if you don't know how to identify them, then I will advise you to get the same custom made indicator, which I have been using with my team, which is the 3M Trend Milka Trading Indicator. It is a custom made indicator. The yellow banner is giving us an uptrend vibes, while the red one is giving us a downtrend vibes, and the blue arrows is for a buy, and the red arrows is there for a sell. Okay, so that is it. It is as simple as that. Once you understand all this, then it will make it very easy for you to analyze the market better and also get the best out of the market. Okay, that is it, guys. Just like I have explained earlier on Gain X 1200, I said these breakouts, once it happens, it is getting to this region. Check it out. You can see it is heading towards this right now. So that is just it. It is as simple as that. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you have any question, kindly drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.